turning the computer on. Macmill 3. Switched on. These are the connections on the back of the computer. Connections on the back of the machine. We have took one of the drives off. I will click the reset button. This is the jog. As you can see, it's going up and down, but the spindle is not going up and down. This is going backwards and forwards. It's not going backwards and forwards. That motor should turn when it goes left and right. It's not going left and right. Although the counter is going left and right, the motor is not. The spindle is not working, even though Macmill is working. That's left, right, forward, back, and spindle up and down. As you can see, the spindle is not moving, neither is any of the drives. Again, that's the y-axis. Machine's not moving. X-axis, the stepper motor is off. That should be turning. It has not got any load whatsoever on it. Even though Macmill says it's turning, it is not. I get them both in the same shot. As you can see, the x-axis is moving up on Macmill, but the motor is not turning.